Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Shut off the RO feed and tank valves beneath the sink before starting. Close both valves to prevent water flow and reduce mess. Open the RO faucet and drain the system until flow stops and the storage tank empties. Lay a towel in the cabinet to catch drips and place a basin under the faucet connection. Gather tools now: an adjustable wrench, a 7/16-inch socket, and a 1/4-inch tubing cutter. Wear gloves if you prefer for grip and cleanliness. Disconnect the 1/4-inch supply tubing from the faucet quick connect fitting carefully. Depress the collet and pull the tubing straight out to avoid damage to the tubing. Support the faucet body from above while loosening the mounting nut under the sink with a 7/16-inch socket. Turn the nut counterclockwise until the faucet lifts free from the sink or countertop. Remove the entire faucet assembly and set it aside. Clean the mounting hole and surrounding surfaces thoroughly before insert the new faucet through the mounting hole and align it for correct orientation. Hand tighten the mounting nut beneath the sink until snug and finish with a quarter turn using a wrench. Push the 1/4-inch supply tubing fully into the faucet push-fit connection until it seats. Reopen the RO feed valve and the tank valve slowly to restore water pressure. Check all connections for leaks and tighten fittings if you detect seepage. Flush the new faucet by running about 2 gallons of water to clear debris and air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.